Yo, I swear I haven't had this thing in like years. Probably since I was like 12 years old. Today we have a half gallon of apple juice and we're gonna chug it here today. This is a subscriber requested video from PDQ Tunes. You wanted me to chug a half gallon of apple juice. We're here today with a half gallon of apple juice. We're gonna see how fast we can chug this thing here today. We're back with a video. Let's see how fast we can chug this half gallon of apple juice. Pretty simple challenge. Just a half gallon of Mott apple juice. Probably one of the healthiest challenge that I'm doing here today. Let's go. Half gallon of apple juice in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And disgusting. There it was, half gallon of apple juice down. Subscriber requested video on PDQ Tunes. Shout out to you. Oh my god, that was horrible. If you guys have any ideas for me, comment down below what other videos you guys want to see like this, whether it's a food challenge or a chug challenge. Comment that all down below in the comments. Please spam the comments. This was the half gallon of apple juice, minute and 11 seconds or whatever like that. Hit that subscribe button if you are not yet already subscribed. We're on a road to 2K. Let's get it. If you have not seen the recent video that I posted yesterday, make sure you guys go check that out. A crazy challenge. Click the link down below in the description. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you're new, stay lit. Always stay lit. We'll see you guys on the next one. We're out.